Hey guys, I just came over to help Nathaniel shrink this bug back window, and I noticed that some of these fingers are starting to get sharp. So what I was gonna tell him is that the way he grabs this has a lot to do with it. So you wanna grab it with your palm and spread all these fingers out as much as possible. Okay, so I'm pulling relatively hard, and then I'm gonna keep my wiggle waggle nice and wide. Right now it's about 10 inches, okay? See how this is starting to get a little sharp? I'm gonna grab it with my palm. I'm gonna aim the heat gun about an inch or two past where the fingers start, and I'm gonna shrink until this Avery Dennison film glasses out. Okay, a lot of people in the last video we posted asked what film we're using. This is Avery Dennison from Fellers.com, and I'm always pulling towards the middle. The way I shrink, this corner cannot come up, so I'm pulling towards the middle, like so. Notice how my corner's not coming up. Then I'm gonna be an inch away, but I'm gonna go nice and wide. And then just be patient and see how that starts to glass out. Working towards the middle. I'm less than an inch away, but I'm keeping my heat gun moving nice and wide, about a foot. Okay, so now I'm gonna squeegee this out. And I'm always gonna start where it's the lowest. So right here it's the lowest. Nice and wide, but I'm super close to the film. You guys, I'm less than an inch away from the film, but I'm keeping my heat gun nice and wide. So hopefully you could see how that film is glassing out. You could see how it's bunched up right there. So right where it's bunched up is where I'm gonna grab with my palm and spread it out. Keep my heat gun moving nice and wide. Be patient. My shoulder's burning. So there's that you can't see. My shoulder is burning because I'm pulling up so hard. There, now just be patient. This shoulder should be burning because you're pulling up so hard. Okay, slow the heat gun down just a hair. Closer to the film, closer to the film, closer to the film. If you hit it, I'm not gonna be mad. There, see? Okay, now move over. This shoulder should be burning. Closer to the film, closer to the film. It's okay if you hit it, stay wide though. When people get closer to the film, they naturally get tighter. You need to do the opposite. When you get close, you should be wide. Aim the heat gun up a little higher, there. See? Okay, move over. And pull. Yep, there you go. Closer to the film, there. Now hang out, perfect. See, I have to keep telling you, closer to the film, less than an inch away. Okay, move your hand. Yep, move over, perfect. Now hang on, don't let the film hit the spoiler right here. So I'm going like this. You're going like this to rest your hand because you're trying to avoid your shoulder burning so much. If anything, I use my fingers up here as leverage, but I'm not letting this hit right here. See that? I'm holding it slightly off. Closer, there. Jeez, up a little bit higher, there. Hand, it's hitting the spoiler, see that? There you go. There you go. Follow for more shrinking tips. Brought to you by thetinstitute.com. So here, see how pointy that is? Watch what I do here. Let me see the heat gun. I'm gonna start way up here and then work down. Super, look at how close I am. Get on the side. Hitting the film. Tool, please. Thank you, sir. That's from a little extra tension. So we'll just go like this. Stay down. So right there, oh God, that's so ugly looking. Warm it up here, pull super hard. Do I give it a little break to cool down sometimes? Wait for the film to kind of catch up because it'll keep shrinking after you pull the heat gun away. So yeah, next time on your next one, you have to bring the line up just a hair because I could tell the bottom's gonna be cake. So now your line's a little too low, and I'm talking about this much of a difference. This much makes a big difference on this window. Overall, really good. Do the bottom.
Is the training what you thought?
Honestly, a little better.
Like what did you expect versus what it was?
I was expecting, I guess, more and more hands-on stuff. Like literally the whole time hands-on stuff, but I've been learning a lot about the business side of things, which was really nice.
Cool.
I really like that part. I wasn't expecting that part at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was just expecting, like, okay, this is how you do it. Go ahead, do it. This is how you do it. Go do it.
What do you think is your biggest takeaway?
Like from the business side.
Oh, trust.
Oh,
Build trust.
yep.
Make things look nicer.
Yep.
Every month, do an upgrade.
Yep. Exactly.
Tinting wise, the terminology is heat shrink.
Yeah. This came out great. Yeah. Even with that tiny little leg out. That's hella good.
I like it.
I like it a lot. You did a great job on that.
Really good at what he does.
What did you think about the overall culture here?
Super nice people. The fellows back there, I noticed that they don't really talk much, but they get the work done good.
Yeah.
You guys got lots of hardworking people here. Really nice.
Bunch of A players.
Bunch of starters.
Second time, but knowing what you know now, would you come?
Yes.
Ooh. That.
What was your favorite part about the training?
The hands-on.
Hands-on? Window tinting or PPF?
PPF.
PPF.
Yeah, PPF stuff was so, that was fun. The funnest part.
What would you say to somebody that's on the fence of coming to the one-on-one training?
Do it.
Do it? Just do it. Just like the meme.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah, just do it. It'll be worth it.
All right,
It's like the Nike logo.